Aloha, beloveds. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you for your presence. I would like to share some downloads I've received about a plant here in Southern Oregon. It grows in other parts of the country, but it's called Queen Anne's lace. It's also called wild carrot. And I've been communing with this plant a bit. I was first drawn to it as a means of finding a way to use it as a contraceptive to prevent implantation of a zygote in times of possible pregnancy related circumstances. And so I've been learning a lot. There's a lot of benefits actually that this plant has for us as beings, and for all of us, not just womb carriers. So I wanted to talk about the benefits, particularly for kidney health and for urinary tract system, in addition to the reproductive functioning benefits that it holds. One of the ways in which it helps is it increases flow. It's a very flowing energy. It helps release and flow through the womb space and also through the urinary tract space, through the kidneys. It can help flush out kidney stones, which is a huge beneficial property. It helps with bladder issues, like urinary tract infection type of issues where flow needs to happen and clearing out if stagnant energy needs to happen in that area. It can help with water retention, reducing water retention because it helps with kidney function. It removes excess uric acid, which is the cause of a condition called gout, which manifests as a painful joint problem. It can reduce severe diarrhea. It can help with indigestion and relieve flatulence. One of the ways in which it helps is it removes waste products, like I said, through the kidney portal, and the oils in it, the volatile oils in it, are what help with blocking the flow of progesterone, which is a hormone that is there if to support a pregnancy. So progesterone is actually pro-gestation. So the properties of this plant block the flow of progesterone to the womb and inhibit implantation and just help create an environment that doesn't foster a pregnancy, a possible pregnancy. This helps with, the plant also helps, like I said, with the kidneys and with gout and lessening the stagnation of the kidneys, which also translates to helping with arthritis pain. And yeah, it's a very beautiful plant. It flowers mostly June through August. And when it goes to seed, it curls up into this like nest-like formation. They call it a bird's nest, where the flower's like an umbrella, and it's white, and it usually has it can sometimes have a purple flower in the middle, just a little purple dot. And while it's open like this to receive the sunlight, and then as it starts to go to seed, it curls up like this, and they call it a bird's nest. And that's when you harvest it for the seeds, and the seeds are what hold the medicine. Although medicine goes into the seeds in the late summer, early fall, and I've been harvesting the seeds here in Southern Oregon and I made a tincture. And so, yeah, it's a very potent medicine for a couple different reasons. And I have this available in my Etsy store, and somebody asked what are the benefits of it, and so I am partially making this video to explain what the benefits of this medicine are and how it can help us and assist us in certain ways in our body temple. And yeah, if you have any questions, please feel free to comment below or send me an email or a message through my Facebook page. So essentially this medicine, if it just comes down to like the basics, it's a diuretic, which helps with kidney function, and it's a meninagogue, which is helps with refreshing the womb and releasing womb blood. And yeah, if you have any questions, please let me know. I'm happy to assist. Sometimes this plant can be confused with another plant called poison hemlock, but there are some distinguishing features, one of which is the stem. When you feel the stem, it's hairy, and that is Queen Anne's lace. And if it's smooth, that's poison hemlock. Another thing is it has like a layer of these spindly green leaves underneath the flower, and yeah, that means it's Queen Anne's lace. And I'll post a link to some photographs and some further explanations for. So just be careful to know the difference between this plant, Queen Anne's lace, wild carrot, and poison hemlock, which is something you don't want to ingest. So yeah, blessed be. Thank you so much. Aloha. I love you.